Hi, boys and girls. I hope you found a lot of things that start with the Z. I hope you found all the Z's at home. Now we are done with finding the Z's. We are going to sound out the Z, okay? Each letters have its own sound. So we're going to sound it out and we're going to show what things at home start with that sound, okay? Let's review over what the letter Z makes, what sound it makes. They both make the big Z and the little z, or the uppercase Z, lowercase z, both makes the good. They both make the Z sound. Can we both say together? Z, z. Good. I have a song for us to sing, okay? It goes like this. This is Big P. This is Big Z. This is Little Z. We say z, 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 zero, z, z, zoo. We say z. Good. Okay, I'm going to trick you right now. I'm going to test you out and see if you know which letter makes the z sound. Which letter makes the z sound? That's right, this one. Oh, you're too smart. Let me ask you one more time. Which letter makes the Z sound? Oh, which letter makes the Z sound? That's right. The Z makes the Z sound. Now let's find all the things that has a Z sound at the beginning of its word, okay? This is Z, Z, zoo. Can you say it? Good job, zoo. The next one is Z, Z, zero. Good. Starts with the letter Z. Z. Starts with that sound. The next one is a Z, Z. Zucchini. Great. Ooh, I love zucchinis. Do you know this one? It's a Z, Z. Zipper. Great. And the next one is Z, Z. Zigzag. Great. So now I am going to test your knowledge out. I'm going to see if you remember what picture starts with the Z sound. Oh, let me get all my pictures ready. Which one makes the Z sound? Is it zoo or is it bus? That's right. Zoo makes the zoo sound at the beginning. Makes a Z sound at the beginning. Ooh, let's do another one. Does pear have the Z sound at the beginning? Or does zero start with the Z sound? That's right. Zero starts with the Z sound. Let's do one more. Okay. Zucchini. Z, z, zucchini. Does it start with a Z sound? Or car? Good, you touched zucchini. Zucchini starts with a Z. We're going on a letter hunt right now. Whoop. We're going to find things that start with the Z sound. Z. Can you say that one more time with me? Z. Awesome, we're ready for that. At least we know we're finding things with a Z sound. Now let's sing our song. We're going on a Z hunt. We're going on a Z hunt. We're going to find things that start with Z. We're going to find things that start with Z. We're going on a Z hunt. We're going on a Z hunt. We're going to find things that start with Z. We're going to find things that start with Z. Okay, I'm going to make my salad right now. I need to hunt for things that start with a Z. Okay, let me go down. I'm going to look up, down, left, right. I found something. I found a zucchini. I'm going to put it in my salad. Zucchini. Zucchini. Okay, I'm going to look up. Ooh, look around. I found something. I found a zipper. Zipper. See? My zipper. Zipper. Can you say zipper? Good. We can clap it. Zipper. Great. Let's put it in our salad. I'm gonna look. Ooh, I found something. I found my Cinco coconut bottle. I'm going to put it inside my salad right here. Okay, I'm missing one special ingredient. Finding things that start with a Z sound is very hard, but I found one. What do you think I found? I found the number 0. I'm going to put it in my salad. Ooh, my salad, and I'm going to mix. Mix with me. Mix. Ooh, that's a beautiful salad. Do you see? All these things starts with the letter Z, and they start with the Z sound. You can try this at home. Find things that start with a Z sound and make a salad, or you can make a pizza. But I decided to make a salad because I'm really hungry and I really want to eat all my Z things. All my things that start with a Z. So try it at home. Have fun. Bye. And oh, I forgot. We are done with sounding out the Z, which is Z, and finding things at home that start with a Z sound. Okay, so once you're done, go to the next one where I'm going to make another video about writing the letter Z. Have fun finding things that start with Z.